Have you ever wondered what would happen if you combined a jet ski and a sports car? It is not a joke. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and if you want to stay up to date with all my latest tech updates, head over to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter. Now picture this. You're cruising across the water, feeling the rush of a jet ski, but surrounded by the sleek design and luxury of a sports car. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, JetCar California has made it happen. This low-profile aerodynamic beauty is turning heads and making waves literally. Let's talk about what's under the hood, or should I say the hull. JetCar has combined the best of both worlds with a turbocharged engine that can hit speeds of up to 65 miles an hour. Yup, not only will you look like you're driving a high-end sports car on the water, but you'll feel the thrill that comes along with it. Now don't worry, they didn't forget about the safety and comfort with designing this speed demon. The sports car-inspired cockpit comes with luxurious materials, ergonomic seating, and a digital dashboard display. Plus, with safety features like an automatic emergency shutoff system and built-in flotation, you can ride worry-free. Of course, this unique watercraft comes with a hefty price tag. Starting at $35,000, a JetCar watercraft is an investment for those seeking the ultimate aquatic adventure. But hey, if you're curious and want to give it a whirl, you can pay just $350 to test drive it for an hour. This is a great way to experience this amazing machine without breaking the bank. So what do you think? Can you see yourself making waves and turning heads at the beach with this jet ski sports car combo? Let us know by going to cyberguy.com, and while you're there, hit that little red button and sign up for my free newsletter.